Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and I'm here to show you Barcelona's best beach. If you want to start the day here, come to follow me and join me on my tour. Don't forget to like and comment down below and subscribe to the channel too. Let's start with the basics. Platj del Bogatell is a beach club located in one of Barcelona's most vibrant neighborhoods. Home to a bustling seafront promenade, a large sunbathing area, and lively nightlife, this Barcelona beach has something for everyone. As soon as you step onto the vast expanse of Golden Sand, you will be immersed in a beach culture unlike any other. On this beach, you can find numerous restaurants, bars, and cafes to explore. From the colorful terraces of the beachfront restaurants to the trendy nightclubs and relaxed cocktail bars, there is something for every taste. You love the atmosphere as you stroll along the beach promenade, with crowds of locals and tourists alike enjoying the buzzing beach culture. One of Bogatell's most striking features is the iconic Torre del Barro. This amazing building is part of the Barcelona skyline and offers an excellent view of the beach and its surroundings. Why not take a stroll up to the top and get a unique view of this stunning beach? At Bogatell, you can also find a range of activities to keep you entertained. From beach volleyball to paddle boarding, there are plenty of choices to keep you active. And be sure to check out the local markets, cafes, and shops as you explore. This vibrant beach has something for everyone, so make sure you take the time to explore it. Don't forget to take a break and catch some rays while you're there.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!